If you are making an AI video right now, you know how hard it can be. You make a clip in one tool, fix mistakes in another, and when you try to make the scene longer, your character can look like a totally different person. It's messy, it costs a lot, and it stops your creative flow. But today, that is about to change. Finally, Kling AI's newest model, Kling O1, is here. It is the world's first all-in-one video engine. Now you can mix languages, visuals, and motions in one simple process. In simple words, you can make your characters look the same, add props or items, change the style, switch themes, change backgrounds, or adjust the mood, all without writing tricky commands. This AI is very smart. With just a simple prompt and a few reference pictures of characters or elements, you can create amazing, high-quality videos. It is a single platform where you can do everything in one place. You can make new videos, change or restyle existing ones, add or remove elements, adjust the background or mood, and even make your videos longer. It makes the whole video making process much easier and faster, so you can focus on being creative instead of struggling with tools. So, let's start creating some amazing videos using Kling O1. Kling O1 is currently available on the Higgsfield website. The website makes it really easy to use this powerful tool. Higgsfield is an unlimited AI platform where you can create images and videos. It is also made for teams, so you can work together safely and share your creations. You might wonder if it's really worth trying such amazing things. Well, we all know Kling O1 is one of the best AI video generator tools. If you want to use Kling AI on the Higgsfield website, check out some example videos to see how awesome Kling O1 really is. As you can see, Kling 2.0 is just using a group of images to explore the ideas. You need not write a heavy prompt, and you don't need to be an expert to make a prompt. Not only that, it also lets you change the background however you like, add elements, and customize your video easily. Higgsfield is currently offering unlimited Kling O1 generations for anyone who subscribes to the Ultimate Plus plan by December 7th. To put it in perspective, look at the data on screen. Compared to other platforms like OpenArt or Artlist, which charge a lot for top-tier models like Kling or VO, the difference is huge. Higgsfield gives you access to these flagship engines, including Kling 2.5 and VO 3.1, at the lowest cost per generation in the market. This is amazing for testing. So, let's jump into the interface and see if this really is the future of AI video. Go to the Higgsfield website. As I already mentioned, you'll find the link in the description box. When you open the link, you will see this interface. Now click Get Started. After you do that, you'll see the Create Video option. Here, you'll find the Upload Image option for both the start frame and end frame as well. Also, make sure to select Kling 1.0 when generating your video. Now click the Start Image option and upload your first image. I want to use this image as my start frame, so I'm uploading it here. When the first image upload is done, now click the End Frame Image option and upload your second image. When both images are uploaded, below here you will get the prompt box. Write your video prompt. I am using a simple prompt. The man is walking on the sea beach. Then select the other settings. Here you will get the 5-second and 10-second video generate options. I am choosing 5 seconds. After that, go to the aspect ratio and choose what you prefer. I am choosing 16:9. Now, if you take the Ultimate Plan subscription on Higgsfield before December 7th, you get unlimited generations. Luckily, I have the unlimited option, so I am enabling it. Then click Generate. The video will start processing, and in just a few seconds, the final video will come to life. Here you will find another interesting feature called Draw to Video. It's really fun, you just need to make a sketch or shape, and the video will be created from it. We will explore this interesting feature later. Now, let's use the Elements option to create a video. First, Go to the Elements option, then click Upload Image and choose the image or element you want to use. While selecting images for your video, make sure to use detailed and high-resolution images to get the best output. Once the first image is uploaded, go for the second one and upload it. You can use multiple images, but right now I'm choosing 2 images. Using multiple images gives you a better output for your video. It also helps to keep each of your characters consistent. Once the images are uploaded, add your video prompt. I'm using a simple prompt because I want to combine both characters in a single frame. My prompt is, "The man and woman are friends, walking together on the street." Now click Generate and wait a few seconds. The video will be ready shortly. Using just elements, you can add as many characters, props, locations, and styles as you want. Just keep adding reference images and writing simple prompts, and Kling AI will generate incredible videos. You can also edit your generated video. First, click the Edit option and upload the video you want to edit. In the prompt box, write what changes you want to make. Next, add any images or elements you want to include in the video. Finally, click Generate, and in just a few seconds, your edited video will be ready. I just added a new character using only a prompt, and it's really impressive. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, ask in the comments. If you liked the video, like it, and if you're new, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.